The tragic death of 25-year-old Courtney Heron last week has brought the issue of youth homelessness into sharp relief. Just a few days ago, a silent vigil was held in her memory by a shocked and grieving community. And today, around 100 motorbike riders hit the road to raise awareness. Zalika Rismal reports.
Making noise for a cause. A cold winter's morning could not stop these bikers out to make a difference to end youth homelessness.
Night time, you walk down the laneways and you see them sleeping in doorways, freezing cold. There's no need for it. In this, 2019, it's just really bad.
More than 5,000 young people across Victoria are homeless on any given night. It was once the reality for ride organiser Sharon Mamo and daughter Montana, who were forced onto the streets escaping family violence.
We lost everything from the home that I owned to the clothes, our pets, everything that we had.
It was scary. The unknown was scary of what was going to happen next.
Sharon and Montana are now in a stable situation with a roof over their head, but it doesn't always end that way. The tragic death of 25-year-old Courtney Heron, a painful reminder of the risks faced by those sleeping rough.
Everyone knows that could have been their child. So I think it sends a shiver down the spine of every single person who reads that story. It's one wrong turn for someone to become, into a situation where actually they no longer have a home and they're no longer safe.
More than a week on and floral tributes are still being left here where Courtney Heron's body was found. And as Melburnians continue to mourn, advocates say they hope her death also serves as a call to arms for long overdue support and change for vulnerable members of the community.
People die because they live on the street. People die because they don't have somewhere safe to live. So this really is an absolute tragedy, and it is a call to arms around we need to really look at how we turbocharge the fight against homelessness.
Advocates say that means more public and social housing and improved community services, including mental health support. Whatever the solution, most agree something needs to change.
It's very sad and something really needs to happen.
A hopeful ride towards a better future. Zalika Rismal, ABC News, Melbourne.